टाठियो बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। 8th को बच्चों पुर रात सिविक्स यानी पॉलिटिकल साइंस गोडुक लेसन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। तो आज लेखो अमिक टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चंस। तो तुई खोलियो पन किताब लेसन नंबर 1 आज लास्ट पे क्वेश्चन दित। तो आज करो अमिक क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टार्ट हो बचो। Why does a democratic country need constitution? अमुक आंसर लिखो। Constitution provides basic rules and principles. It decides how the government will be organized. It makes provision for rule of law. Question number 2 start हो बच्चों। 1990 Constitution of Nepal, the executive power of the Kingdom of Nepal shall be exercised by His Majesty. 2007 Interim Constitution, the executive power of the government Nepal shall, pursuant to this constitution and other laws, the executive power shall be taken by Prime Minister. What is the difference between in who exercise executive power in the above two Constitution of Nepal? टाइटो बच्चों अमुक आंसर लिखो वन तो बिल्कुल वार वार चलो आयस मज। अंडर आर्टिकल 35 of 1990 Constitution of Nepal, executive powers were rested with the king. The king was the head of government. He exercised all executive power, but under the interim Constitution 2007, executive powers are vested in the Council of Ministers. The executive powers and function were exercised by Prime Minister of Nepal. Constitution is supreme than king. Tata Bacho, question number 3. What would happen if there were no restriction on the power of elected representation? Tata Bacho, amuk answer likho. If there would be no restriction on the power of elected representation, the elected representation will misuse the powers for their selfish interest, and they will not serve the people. Question number 4 start bacho. A part. In a school with 30 teachers, 20 of them are male. अमुक आंसर लिखो टाइटो बचो। Women or female teachers are in a minority. Male teachers should respect the views and wishes of women teachers because under Constitution both are equal rights. और इसका बी पार्ट है। In a city 5% of the population are Buddhists. आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है। बुद्धिस्ट आंसर इसका है Buddhists are in minority and majority should respect their religion. C part है, in a factory mess for all employees 80% are vegetarians. तो आंसर इसका है non-vegetarians are in minority and majority vegetarians should respect the views of non-vegetarian. D part, in a class of 50 students 40 belongs to well family. तो इसका आंसर है 10 students or belongs to minority. The majority students should respect their views so that inferiority complex may not be developed among them. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है, एक तरफ की फीचर है और एक तरफ इसकी सिग्निफिकेंस है। तो पहला है फेडरलिज्म, इसका आंसर है इट कंबाइन्स द स्पिरिट ऑफ नेशनलिज्म विद जील फॉर लोकलिज्म। दूसरा है separation of powers, it does not reflect the ideas of the country. तीसरा है fundamental rights, it protects the citizens of the country. और लास्ट है parliamentary form of government, और इसका आंसर है दूसरी तरफ सिग्निफिकेंस में the people have equal rights and representative exercise a real authority. So that was the questions, 5 questions, और मैंने आपको इनका जवाब भी बताया। तो आई होप आपने उनको सुना भी होगा और उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप उनको अपनी कॉपी पर कलमबंद करेंगे। तो आज इतना ही। Thanks.